Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to discuss about the discriminated unions in the Typescript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Discriminated unions are the powerful feature in the Typescript that allow you to work with values that could be of the different types, but you can precisely differentiate between these types using a common property. So we are going to define the common property where we are going to assess the values, known as the discriminant. This is often used in the scenarios where you have a value that can take the various shapes and you want to precise type information to perform the various operations on the type. Let's take an example. You will get to know about this definition. So here you can see that we have the interface, right? So let me go to the example. So here, let me word wrap this. Okay, so here we have defined this, like suppose we have defined the size and the radius. In the square, we have an interface square, we have an interface circle. Okay, so here we have declaring the union and and try to assess the radius. So it give me the error that the radius does not exist on the type shape. So to assess the properties, what we have to use is we have to use a type, a discriminant. Okay, so like kind, so basically it's a type like the square and the circle. Okay, and here when I try to add switch statements like shape dot kind, if it is square then return this one, and if it is circle then return this one. Now see, the error resolves. Okay, so on the behalf of the discriminant we are defining the operations that we have to perform on a particular things, right? So here let's understand this example. Okay, so here we are going to get this one const square kind square size to be. So here you can see we are defining the property here. So here we are, if we are passing the square then the size, then it will returns the different things. Okay, get area dot square, get area dot circle. Okay, so here we are defining the type and the radius and what the parameters it required. So it will call the get area and it will give you the desired result. We have defined the two interfaces square and the circle. So we have defined the two interfaces square and the circle. Okay, each with their own properties. On properties, when we create a union type shape. Okay, so here we are going to create a union type shape. Okay, that represents either a square or a circle. Okay, whether it's to be square or a circle. The key here is the kind property. So here the key is kind property, which act as a discriminant to differentiate between the two types. So here we are defining the differentiation within two types with the help of this discriminant, right? The get area function takes the parameter of the type shape, uses a switch statement. Okay, so it will uses a switch statement which will take the shape kind with the kind property to determine the shape type and perform the appropriate calculations. Okay, so in that scenario it is helpful. So here we have using the switch statement on the behalf of that one type, we are performing the calculations, whether it's to be a shapes and whether it's to be a size of that one. Okay, so here we are calculating the area, if it is square, if it is circle, so on the behalf of it we are calculating their areas. Okay, so this is how we are going to implement discriminated in discriminated unions in the Typescript. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.